Good morning! I recently got a Delta Kossel 3D printer kit, and in today's video I am going to make a review of the build and show you the test prints that I have gotten from this machine. Logic DIY, think, build and share. It came in a big cardboard box with all the electronic parts and mechanic parts which are required for the 3D printers. They even gave tools, which means that you can build this 3D printer out of nothing. The instructions were very precise. You could either have them on a image format or on a video format, which is a high quality production. You could also find all the software and firmware that is required. They have their own version of Cura 15.4, which is very user friendly. And there was also links to the download of drivers for Mac users and for Windows users. The build was flawless and the calibration was pretty straightforward. Take your time with the height calibration because this will determine the quality of your print. The piece of paper under the extruder should be able to move while still being a little bit blocked by the extruder. This will determine the quality of your print. It is what makes the difference between an amazing print and an average print. They also open sourced the STL files of their 3D printer, which means that you can make another one on your own or even make it a business. Even for the first time, the results were very nice and I was even surprised by the quality of the layers. On larger prints, I have experienced what is so-called warping, and there is a solution to this which is called a heated bed, which by the way they do sell as an upgrade, but that would be a topic for a further video. The results were very nice and it is going to be an amazing addition to my workshop. Overall, this is a great 3D printer kit. I have links in the description. This video is over. Thank you for your attention.